Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show some happy mail I got, or friend mail that I got in the mail, and one giveaway winning from Linnea at Linnea's Cozy Crafts. So everybody, I will put their information down below in the description box. As you can see, this is the only spot I can film right now at this moment. I got some happy mail from Sheila at Country Girl First Crafts. So we're going to open it up real quick and we're going to see what's in there. I was not expecting this, but I'm excited because her work is beautiful. So first we got this bag. It says craftiness is happiness. Look at that. So a K10 hook. So, oh, a 6.5, excuse me. And I could always use these because I'm always using these. So there's that. Oh my gosh. And then we got some yarning needles. And I got some thick yarn I won from a giveaway. And so this is going to come in handy. So there's that. Yay. And then she got, oh, how neat. It's like a cup cozy. Oh, yes, it is a cup cozy. Look at that. I love it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. And then we got some, ooh, some magnets. Look at these, how pretty these are. I love the sewing, old-time sewing machine and the girl. Sorry for the glare because I'm sitting in my car. Can you see that, I hope? Isn't that pretty? Always in stitches. Oh, I love it. Thank you so, so very much. Oh, and there's my hooks. Jeez, Pam. And then there's a 5mm. And a J hook, 6mm. And I've never heard of these brands before, but I'm super excited to check them out and try them. Look at that. Thank you so, so much. I love it. I'm always excited to get crochet hooks or needles, you know. Those are always fun. And let's see. Oh, there's a card. I left the card. Wow. Let's check out the card. There's a pretty goodie in there. Oh my gosh. It's probably one of her beautiful cards. Yeah, it's one of her beautiful cards. Look at this. Wisdom, wisdom being in wonder. Beautiful. Oh, I saw her make one of these. It says, Pamela, thank you for my beautiful shawl you made for me, sweetheart. I will use it with pride and joy in your beautiful creation. God bless you, sweetheart. Love, Sheila, Country Girl First Crafts. And look at this beautiful card. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And her cards, guys, are so gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. I really hope you guys can see that okay. And then she was showing these on her channel. And these are just little nice, it's a ball pin with an angel. And then these little envelopes. And then she put some beautiful goodies in here. Look at that. It's for, it says the story on it. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. So, so much. And then there's this girl on the envelope. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I watched her make these. These look like a lot of fun to make. I like to try making these. I'm going to link her channel down below. I'll link this video right here. But this card is so gorgeous. And then she has it hand stamped. Could you go first? But she's got everything so beautifully popped up and layered so very nicely. This is me a treasure. So there's that. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful is that? It is, oh, head round. It is a embroidery ring, and she just embellished the heck out of it. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love these. The technique and the just the beautiful lace and the layering and the beads. And I'll turn it around and show you. And then it has the flower and all around here with the lace. And then here is in the back, and you got the beads in the back. And she has a like a button right here. I don't know if you can see the beads. Isn't that gorgeous? And she put a little thing on there to hang it up. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to hang it in my craft area once I get there. But this is so, so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I love the lace. I mean, these, which I've seen her do these, I thought, oh my gosh, I would love to have one of those. And I do. So, so pretty. Thank you so, so much. I absolutely, oh, look at these here. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, that was my wonderful happy mail from Sheila. I love it so, so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and now I got a couple more, so I'm going to put you on pause real quick. Okay, I'm back, and Linnea had did a question in her one of her videos, and I answered her question. It was actually a very easy question for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I won. So you gotta love it, guys. It's yarn, and I'm into pretty yarn. So I got, ooh, looks like Caron Simply Soft. So I got a skein of Caron Simply Soft. Isn't that beautiful? It's always so, so soft. And this is one of my favorite yarns, and this is one of my favorite colors. So you can't go wrong with that. And so here's that. Isn't that beautiful? And then, oh yeah, she mentioned she put some cases in here, and you can always put these with stitch markers or whatever. And then another, this is pastel colors, and this looks like, I think this is Caron Simply Soft as well. And you can put those together and make something very pretty. And I'm going to be leaving so I can put these in my bag and just crochet with them. Aren't they gorgeous? Isn't that pretty? Yeah, so I won 2 skeins of yarn from her. So I was on Krystal's Justcraftingoverhere live. So I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. I'm trying to hurry, guys, because I got some other videos to try and make. So let's check it out. It's in the black paper. And look at this black envelope. Isn't that cool? Very Halloween, right? Oh, she made, I think it was a card, I think. And so, yeah, it was a card. She put a few little goodies in there. Aww. This handmade envelope. And it says Happy Halloween on it. And on the back it says Krystal Rose Justcraftingoverhere. But look at the girl. So I think this is, I think it's Hocus Pocus, maybe, if I remember. And the butterfly, the bats, the girl, the bag, the cane. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. I love the so Coco, I can't remember the dye company, but it was Coco something. And she was demonstrating on her live about these cards. So I'm super excited to get this. And, aww, And it says, when witches go riding and black cats are near, the moon laughs and the whispers of Halloween are here. Isn't that adorable? And look, she gave me some die cuts for leaves and some of these papers here that she put together, like maybe a bag topper or a band of some sort. These scraps. There's that. I love it. And this card is so cute. And I'm glad people stamp the backs because you can send it in Happy Mail. And I'm in a card swap, so I'm glad. Halloween card swap. Look at that. Cute. Everything's going to be packed away. So, oh, and look at the spider. There's adorable. I love it. Thank you, Krystal. Gosh, you're talented. She gave me some, what do you call this? Hang on. Seam binding in Halloween colors. And then I think she die cut this out on a Halloween backing. But look at all these cute seam binding Halloween colors, purple, orange, and black. And I didn't have any of this. So look at all this. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it so much. And then I got some cute rosettes. And then she put this in a bag. And I love rosettes. I'm not very good at making rosettes, but yeah. So I have a die for a rosette, but yeah, I love getting these. I could put them in Happy Mail or add something to them. Put a little Halloween embellishment on it and send out Happy Mail. What fun is that? And then I wasn't expecting this. This is so cute. So she made this little card. Is the card? Yeah. But look, she made this little card. Isn't that cute? And it has a little ghost on it. Isn't that cute? And this one, oh, I don't want to get into this. Oh, I see. She made this cute bag topper with the ghost. Ooh, look at the ghost. And a plastic bag. And I can tell it has some beads in it. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to dump it. But if you can see, girl after my own heart. Look at all those beads. I love these. Awesome. Thank you so much, Krystal. I love it. Thank you so much, Linnea. Thank you so much, Sheila, for these wonderful gifts and Happy Mail. I absolutely love it. Love it. Okay, I'm sorry I haven't been on lately. We're in the process of moving, and I can disclose a little bit more later on. We're going to be leaving probably the 5th, but we're going to end up making several trips back. U-Haul costs tons and tons of money. Unbelievable. So can't do that. So yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. And I notice I dropped like 5 subscribers. So again, I apologize. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to all so you can see more of my videos. All right, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. And as always, God bless.